Hello and welcome to the Gears revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like and subscribe. A gear is used to change the moment of a turning effect. Gears can multiply the turning effect of a force. Now gears normally have one small cog and one larger cog. Each gear cog here will have a pivot, which is the central point, and the gear cog on the left will have an anti-clockwise rotation, but the gear cog on the right will have a clockwise rotation. Where the teeth of the gear cogs meet, the gear cogs will exert equal and opposite forces on each other. So the cog on the left will exert an upward force, but the cog on the right will exert a downward force. In the case that a small cog is turning a large cog, and this small cog is connected to an engine whilst the large cog is connected to a wheel, the small cog is half the size of the large cog, so it rotates twice as fast. The large cog is twice the size of the small cog, but it rotates at half the speed, but with a high turning effect, and this high turning effect would represent a low gear, where you would use for a car to go up a steep hill. In the case that a large cog is turning a small cog, so this large cog is connected to the engine, but the small cog is connected to a wheel. The large cog is twice the size of the small cog, so it rotates at half the speed, and the small cog is half the size of the large cog, so it rotates twice as fast but with a low turning effect. So this arrangement represents a high gear where the car is moving along the road at a very high speed. Thank you for watching. Please see our revision notes on our website, link can be found in the description box.